Insert the ice pack into the dry freezer bag, then place the bag in the freezer. After 4 hours of freezing between -18 and -22 degrees Celsius, remove the ice pack and distribute the gel if necessary. Caution: make sure to place the skin protection fabric between your skin and the ice pack. Place the ice pack on a flat surface. The rounded part should be at heel level. Reposition the Lycra if necessary. Fold the left side of the ice pack over your foot, and then secure the 2 hook and loop straps on top. Position the heel strap. Attach the pump and turn the valve to on. Inflate. Do not exceed 10 pumps. Then turn the valve to off and unscrew the pump. Position the Lycra over your skin. The ice pack should be positioned in the middle of your calf. Fold the right side of the pack over the other and secure the 2 hook and loop fasteners. Reposition the Lycra if necessary. Screw on the pump and turn the valve to on. Inflate. Do not exceed 10 pumps. Then turn the valve to off and unscrew the pump. After 20 minutes, remove the ice pack, deflate, and place it back in the bag, and then in the freezer.